Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GROW token from Triathlon Labs. Ticker symbol is GROW. This is a BEP20 token, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting February 19th. We're going to go over the information on the GROW token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So GROW is the governance token of the Triathlon project, used for participation in project governance and community development. The total supply is 100 million GROW tokens. You can stake the token, and this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. It says they have 125 holders so far, but it doesn't look like it's available on Pancakeswap, so this might have been like a private sale or something like this prior to this listing, because I don't see any Pancakeswap transactions as of yet, even though it's a Binance Smart Chain token. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply. It says a little discrepancy. On their webpage it says 100 million, but then on their BSC scan it says 10 million. So let's go by the BSC scan for now, though. And they do have a full white paper you can find on their webpage, triathlon.space. They have NFTs over there, NFT section. They have a roadmap. You can connect your wallet, governance section, services, AI section, training. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 19th at 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Fund your account with USDT after you open an account. Go into the trade section and search GROW, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if Gate is not available in your areas, which, in a lot of areas, Gate is not available, most likely around the same time, this token will go over to Pancakeswap. You'll be able to fund your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and trade your BSC for the GROW token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage or their BSC scan. Now, how the token is allocated, 40% of the tokens go to Eco Project Token Exchange, 20% staking mining, 12% marketing, 10% foundation, 10% reserve, 5% private sale, and 3% airdrop. Now, it says Triathlon aims to provide project builders and token holders with the ability to drive the testing and auditing process of crypto projects during their full life cycles, regardless of whether the individual has a background in technology or not. Many commercial institutions provide third-party testing and auditing services in the global blockchain testing field. Testing services first need to have a strong capability and extensive credibility themselves. However, many commercial tests are seriously lacking in openness and transparency. We are easily influenced by factors such as interest and team capabilities, and are therefore unable to guarantee true objective evaluation. Moreover, the revenue-driven nature of commercial institutions also makes it difficult for them to naturally gain credibility, which leaves many institutions reliant on the cooperation and endorsement from authoritative third parties in order to build their own reputations. As a community built on public blockchains, applications, testnets, and participators, Triathlon carries out real-time verification, rigorousness, and transparency. There are 6 aspects to this: security, scalability, decentralization, degree, storage efficiency, processing capacity, and adaptability being verified through different testing tasks, and users worldwide can come to witness the whole process. By participating, they can also earn rewards and income. This is how Triathlon, my light just went out there. This is how Triathlon does its testing and auditing, involving the global community and undertaking verification based on the community's interests and real needs. Instead of seeking endorsement from authoritative third parties, Triathlon collects credibility from users and observers across the space. Testing can be as easy as playing games in Triathlon. It turns the obscure technical language into game-like testing scenarios. Triathlon believes metaverse is the future as it bridges reality into the real world. In the metaverse, atoms and bytes, human beings and software, physical assets and digital tokens, NFTs, can coexist. Therefore, Triathlon creates a GameFi which provides an immersive experience for non-tech users to test blockchain projects in real-time environment. Users can utilize and even create testing tools to initiate attacks and assignments to the testnets, observe the performance, and vote on the preferred projects. Meanwhile, users can earn income while enjoying playing games. Apart from enabling play to earn, Triathlon also believes in the economic value of play to build. Triathlon is a platform where builders can turn their technology ideas into practice. Project builders bearing unique ideas can design their own NFTs and have them tested by the community during the game, and moreover, they can also launch chains or dApps and put them in real-time testing. Builders will get rewards respectively by making contributions. Triathlon encourages creating and evolving technologies and growing an economy in which project builders and users can create and share values. So if you want to read more about the play to earn, the launch pad, they have their own launch pad. They have a full roadmap as well. Basically, we could go through the roadmap. It's not that long here. So they start out with project incubating, white paper, NFT playbook, NFT farming and forging starts, try run of the Triathlon battleground, try run of the Triathlon dungeon facilities, white paper released, token launch, ITO starts, DAO launches, tech white paper released, dev book released, open API release, ecosystem launch, launchpad launches, mainnet 1.0, and then new roadmap. So go check this project out, triathlon.space, and you can find this token newly listed on Gate starting February 19th. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.